In this video, I will show you how to enable Discord developer mode. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To enable Discord developer mode, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Discord and log into your account. Once you've logged in, come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto this gear icon next to your name to go into your user settings, and from here you want to come to the menu on the left hand side and scroll all the way to the bottom. Now at the very bottom you're going to see an option for developer. Give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this, and from here you can turn on developer mode by clicking the small radio button next to developer mode. Once you've clicked that, that's going to enable Discord developer mode, and that is how to enable Discord developer mode. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.